How to split page in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, and at the end if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs. So let me start the process. So to split the page, okay, go to the file first, go to the page setup, and here go to the landscape, and the margin you have to change 0.5 to all. And just click OK. Okay, you can change margin, okay, as per your requirement. Now go to the format, go to the columns. You can click the 2 columns and 4 columns. So I just split with the split with the 2. So I just click on 2. Again go to the format, go to the column, go to the more options, and just click line between the columns. Okay, now go to the insert, go to the break page, go to the column break. Now line will become here. Now just click first column and set your margin, second column set your margin. Okay, so your text will be start from here. In this column the text will be start from here and in here. Okay, so let me show you. And second column text start from here. This is the margin of this your split page. Okay, so that is how you can split your page in Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.